now that we have the animation and transition for the unethical kick, I'm gonna now have the register. And last night I just realized that if you have a cheap keyboard, one of those keyboards that you use in the office, you won't be able to register multiple buttons at the same time. So right now I'm going forward, down, and enter to trigger the attack. You might need a mechanical keyboard or a gaming keyboard specifically made for preventing ghosting. I might have to change the keys later on. I don't know how many people have the cheap keyboards or the mechanical ones. Just let me know if you can't trigger this in the comments, and I'll see what I can do. In this video, I'll go on and start creating the register for the kick. So I'm going to go to the folder, and just like before, the first thing I'm going to do is create the attack ability, player unethical kick attack. I'm going to debug it to get the exact time. For now, I'll guess something like 30% to 40%. Attacking part will be right foot. The right foot must collide with the target. Max hits is 1. Damage, I'll just do 1. And I'm going to go into the attack script. And I'm going to press F9 on the register and the D register attached to Unity. And I'll play. Oops, I forgot to add the ability to the animator, to the animation. So ground attacks, unethical kick. Add a slot and the ability. So if I trigger the attack, so that's 30%. In 40, I might do 25 and 45. See how that looks. Okay, so that's 25, 45. I think I like that better. And let me also add some force. Forward force 3000, up force 3000. I'll just try that. So here's the kick. We have a ragdoll on the ground. I can try to kick it again. I might need a little more force. Maybe upward. Okay. I think I like that a little better. Let me try again. Maybe a little more on the up and less on the forward. Or even more on the forward. How about I just go crazy? Increase it way more. Maybe that was a little too crazy. Okay, let me dial it back down. Okay, like that. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.